Yeah. All behind us.
So pretty.
That's right. What was it? What was it again? The emergency?
Yeah, like nothing up that grade though, huh? Am I here? Oh my god! Oh my gosh!
That was.
I lost hearing.
But that's why I don't have it on the roof and I don't turn it on.
Yeah, that's good.
I bought a cricket machine.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
That's cool.
Yeah, I've done everything myself.
Pops and bangs,
Just telling Steve we're coming. Morning traffic. Good morning.
Morning.
Hey.
I love the shirt. I love the hat.
Los Santos Lifestyle Dept.
There you go.
We're on it.
Like 2 inches off the ground. Yeah. But I mean, it's got a suspension. Maybe he lowered it. I don't know.
Yeah, it's
Maybe he can.
Look at the engine, how low it is on the engine part of it. I have no idea.
Yeah, that thing sits so low.
Right?
Yeah.
I want to see.
I came across, I met someone yesterday with a
What's your emergency? Alright, what's your address? Alright, coming right up. Alright, there you go. Coming up! Woo! Let's go! We have an emergency! Let's go! Woo! Alright, we got an emergency. Il s'est fait rentrer dans le cul. Non. Alright guys, we're gonna see if we can catch people's reaction of the LSLD Ferrari. So we got the light on, livery, she's all cleaned.
How
Yo.
come you didn't have it on top while we were driving?
No, I just put it. Yo, good morning.
What's up? What's up?
Yo, yo, yo.
Hey Chase.
Good to see you.
It's good to see you, man.
Good to see you. We're already busy. That's crazy.
Yeah, that's great.
We can literally have like in the back corner. There's like a bunch of classics. So that's a really good mix today.
Cool.
So yeah, anywhere.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sounds good.
We should do some cool shots of this later.
Should I park right there?
You want to park right
So I
here?
get maximum on the other side. So I get maximum.
Yeah,
Okay,
that
cool.
was seriously.
Yeah, perfect. Cool. Yeah, I went to.
Good morning, Steve.
Perfect. Yeah, I can even park.
Park it here.
No, it'll look good from that angle.
You're not gonna back in, you're afraid?
No, I think it looks good like this.
Whatever you think, it's up to you.
Thank you.
I think you should.
Surfboard out.
Yeah.
Oh, this is a great deal for a hatchback Ferrari. And we have a secret great deal. Definitely not fake, not clickbait. It's a boat. And it comes with surfboard. and it even has back seats.
Yeah, there you go. I'll open the trunk for you. You can see how much room you have.
And this is a lot of room. You can put a whole luggage. You can travel all the way to Greece.
To Greece. Yep, you can drive to Greece.
You can drive to Colorado with this
Yeah.
space.
Okay. Awesome. What do you think of the livery? Do you know what Los Santos is? No? So it's a video game. You're probably a little young to play that video game, but Los Santos is from GTA 5. Have you heard of GTA 5?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, cool. And then the surfboard, so this is an emergency vehicle, right? So if I get cold, there is a problem somewhere, people, need to be taken to the hospital or something very fast, then you have a V12 powered vehicle that can carry bodies.
That's right. And you fly.
Right? And if someone is having problem at the beach, then we can rescue them.
Why does this fit in the car?
And you
It
can
does.
rescue them looking this cool. That's the whole point.
Yeah. And look, that fits in the car. I'll show you.
And it's the
Can you get
surfboard
this?
even fits in the car.
And then you press here. There you go.
And that's magic.
And that's magic.
Surf's up.
The outfit is perfect with the board.
Do it in front of your car too.
In front of my car. That's good, Scott.
Yeah. See the logo and everything.
Alex, come on over here. Totally. There's my surfer wife. She wins all the surf. She wins all the surf.
I did not
contests.
expect the
She wins all
surfboard
the
to be
surf,
more popular
contests with that hat.
than the livery.
Come on, old guy. Move.
Thank you for sharing it.
Yes.
Stop recording.
So this is the LSLD Los Santos.
LSD?
LSLD.
Oh, LSLD.
Yes.
So it's lysergic acid.
Something
long
like that.
form.
Yeah,
Okay,
pretty
got
close.
Cool.
But Los Santos is it's the city in GTA 5, the video game,
Okay.
and it's actually LA. So it's fun to do a Los Santos Lifestyle Department. It's not an official agency, but it looks like it is.
It does. Okay.
Emergency response powered by V12.
Right. What do you respond to?
Anything, anything that need to be done fast, I would do it.
Okay.
And if it's in ocean, I also
you gotta
have
take your surfboard out.
I have the surfboard.
You gotta have the surfboard.
You never know what type of emergency you'll get.
Yes,
so
that's true. So you can save lives.
I can save life.